Norway, known as the Kingdom of Norway, is a country in northern Europe. It is famous for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Let's explore some key facts about Norway in a simple and easy to understand way. Norway is located on the western part of the Scandinavian peninsula. It shares borders with Sweden, Finland, and Russia. The country has a long coastline along the North Atlantic Ocean, which includes many beautiful fjords. A fjord is a deep, narrow inlet of the sea between high cliffs or hills. The capital of Norway is Oslo. Oslo is the largest city and the cultural and economic center of the country. Other important cities include Bergen, known for its historic harbor and surrounding mountains. Stavanger, famous for its oil industry and beautiful old town. Trondheim, home to the famous Nidaros Cathedral. Norway has a population of about 5.4 million people. The official language is Norwegian. There are two written forms of Norwegian, bokmål and nynorsk. Most people in Norway speak English very well, so it's easy for tourists to communicate. Norway has a rich history dating back to the Viking Age, about 800 to 1050 AD. The Vikings were famous explorers and warriors who traveled and traded across Europe. In 1905, Norway became an independent country after being part of a union with Sweden. Norway is a constitutional monarchy, which means it has a king or queen as the head of state, but the government is run by elected officials. The current king is King Harald V. The prime minister is the head of government, and elections are held every 4 years. Economy: Norway is one of the richest countries in the world. It has a strong economy based on natural resources like oil, gas, and fish. The country is also known for its high standard of living and excellent social services, including free education and healthcare. Education in Norway is highly valued and well structured. The education system is divided into 3 main levels. 1. Primary school, barnskole, for children aged 6 to 13. 2. Lower secondary school, ungdomsskole, for children aged 13 to 16. 3. Upper secondary school, videregående skole, for teenagers aged 16 to 19. Education is free and mandatory for children up to the age of 16. Norway also has several universities and colleges, with the University of Oslo being the oldest and largest. Culture: Norwegian culture is influenced by its history and natural surroundings. Some key cultural points include literature. Famous writers include Henrik Ibsen and Knut Hamsun. Festivals: Norwegians celebrate many festivals, such as Constitution Day on May 17, which is their national day. Nature and wildlife: Norway is famous for its stunning natural beauty. The country has many national parks, mountains, and forests. The Northern Lights, a natural light display in the sky, can be seen in northern Norway. The country is also home to various wildlife, including reindeer, moose, and polar bears. Tourism: Tourism is a big part of Norway's economy. People visit Norway to see the fjords, hike in the mountains, and experience the midnight sun in summer, where the sun never sets in parts of Norway. In winter, visitors enjoy skiing and other snow sports. Famous landmarks: Norway is home to many famous landmarks that attract tourists from all over the world. Some of these include Greinfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its breathtaking beauty. Prøkstelen, Pulpit Rock, a famous cliff with a flat top, offering stunning views. The Northern Lights, best viewed in northern Norway, especially in the winter months. Vigeland Park, located in Oslo, It features over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland. Transportation. Norway has a well-developed transportation system. Here are some key points. Roads. The country has an extensive network of roads and highways. Many roads offer scenic views of mountains and fjords. Railways. Norway's rail network connects major cities and towns. The Bergen Line, which runs between Oslo and Bergen, is famous for its stunning scenery. Air travel. Due to its geography, Norway relies heavily on air travel. Oslo Airport is the main international gateway. Ferries. Ferries are an important mode of transport, especially along the coast and between the fjords. Healthcare. Norway has an excellent healthcare system. It is publicly funded, which means most healthcare services are free for Norwegian citizens. The system ensures that everyone has access to necessary medical services, contributing to the high quality of life in the country. Food. Norwegian cuisine includes a lot of fish, especially salmon. Traditional dishes include lutefisk, dried fish soaked in water and lye; rommegrot, a sour cream porridge; kjøttkake, meatballs served with potatoes and gravy. Environment and sustainability. Norway is committed to protecting the environment and promoting sustainability. The country aims to reduce carbon emissions and increase the use of renewable energy. Hydroelectric power is the main source of electricity, making Norway a leader in clean energy production. Sports are an important part of Norwegian culture. Popular sports include skiing. Norway is known for its skiing culture, and many Norwegians start skiing at a young age. Football. Soccer, a popular sport, with many local clubs and enthusiastic fans. Handball. Both men's and women's handball teams are successful internationally. Technology and innovation. Norway is a technologically advanced country. It has a high rate of internet penetration and digital innovation. The government supports research and development, making Norway a hub for technological advancements and startups. Social norms and etiquette. Understanding local customs and etiquette can be helpful when visiting Norway. Greetings. A firm handshake is a common way to greet people. Punctuality. Norwegians value punctuality, and being on time is important. Equality. Norway is known for its commitment to gender equality and social welfare. Environment. Norwegians take great care of their natural surroundings and expect others to do the same. Conclusion. Norway is a remarkable country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and a strong commitment to sustainability and social welfare. Whether you're interested in exploring its history, experiencing its landscapes, or understanding its modern way of life, Norway offers a unique and enriching experience for everyone.